Here we have 2022 Hyundai Sonata and we'll show you how to engage the parking brake. In my case, the car is start right now. And in order to engage the parking brake, you have to press the brake pedal first. And then right on the left side, you would see the parking sign. What I would do is I would lift up this switch. You will hear a sound in the background and that shows that the parking brake is activated. Now, in order to disengage the parking brake, same process applies. We again press the brake pedal and this time we press the switch downwards. You will again hear a background sound and there you notice the parking sign is not there. Now suppose you have the car turned off and you still want to activate the parking brake. This time you do not have to press the brake pedal, but instead you just press the switch upwards. Again you will hear the sound and there you will see the parking brake activated right there. Now in order to disengage the parking brake, the bad news is you cannot disengage the parking brake while the car is turned off. You have to turn on the car to disengage the parking brake. Like let's suppose if I press this down, there's no sound in the background and the sign still remains there. Hope you learned something new today. Please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.